with a crisp outer coat and a delicious filling of Suji Halwa Rava Kesari stuffed with dry fruit and nuts inside. Today's recipe is a new, tasty, crispy Suji Halwa preparation. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. To make the Suji Halwa Kesari bath, heat a fry pan, add 2 tablespoon ghee, add 1 tablespoon chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of raisins. Fry until they turn golden brown. Transfer to a bowl. To the remaining ghee in the fry pan, add 1 cup, this is 240 grams of suji or Bombay rava. Fry until you get a nice smell and the rava starts to change color. To a saucepan, add 2.5 cups of water. Add 1 1/4 cup sugar. I am using the same cup for all the measurements. Switch on the stove. Mix and add half a teaspoon of saffron. Mix everything well. Stir until the sugar dissolves and the water becomes hot. Switch off the stove. To the roasted rava in the fry pan, add the hot sugar saffron water. Add some water first and mix, and then add the rest of the water. When the rava is nicely roasted and mixed like this, there will be no formation of lumps and it is easy to get a smooth mix. Mix well. Take slightly less than half a cup, that is 100 ml of ghee. I have used 2 tablespoons from this to fry the nuts, raisin and rava. Add a little bit of the ghee. Mix. The rest of the ghee can be added at different stages of preparing the halwa. As the Suji Halwa Kesari starts getting thicker, keep stirring and adding the ghee. When it becomes thick, add the last portion of the ghee and stir until it reaches halwa consistency. Transfer to a bowl. To prepare the outer layer, to the fry pan, add half a cup of whole white urad dal. Dry roast until it turns to a golden brown color. When it is warm, transfer to a mixer jar, grind to a fine powder. To a bowl, add 3/4 cup of the roasted urad dal powder, 3/4 cup of rice flour, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered cardamom. Mix everything well. To this, add half a cup of slightly fermented idli or dosa batter. If you do not have idli dosa batter, you can add half a teaspoon of cooking soda. Add water and mix. Keep adding water and mixing until you get a smooth batter of pouring consistency like dosa batter. To prepare the filling, take 1 tablespoon of the prepared Suji Halwa Kesari bath. Make into a round shape. Create a well in the center. Place 1 teaspoon of the mixed nuts and raisins. Close the edges and shape into rounds again. Prepare as many as required. Heat an Appe or Paniyaram Pan. Add half a teaspoon of ghee. to all the molds. Fill 1/4 of the mold with the prepared urad dal rice batter. Place the stuffed Suji Halwa rounds. Cover with some more batter and allow it to cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, fold, tuck the batter in, cover the suji rounds and cook for 2 more minutes and turn to the side. Cook for some more time and again turn the suji rounds to cook the other side. Once all sides are well cooked and become crisp, remove from the pan. Now we have our Suji Halwa with its really crisp and fried outer covering. When you open it, you can see the soft and delicious Suji Halwa inside with its rich stuffing of nuts and raisins. Enjoy hot. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.